Welcome to your Windy City Wire Consignment Portal, your hub for managing all your consignment materials and invoicing. The portal is broken down into 4 main tabs: Awaiting Receipts, On-Hand Inventory, Awaiting Invoice, and Request Products. The Awaiting Receipt tab provides a window into viewing your consignment replenishment orders. This list contains orders that are either available to receive into your on-hand inventory or monitor materials awaiting shipment. The items highlighted in green can be either fully or partially received, and those items not highlighted indicate orders that are still in the picking process and will be available to receive once they have shipped. The On-Hand tab lists all items currently within your available inventory. Here you can set the min and max amounts of materials, view the age of each item in your inventory, and the On-Hand tab is also where you take materials out of inventory to build invoicing for each job. As you add materials, the list builds on the right side of the screen. When you've completed building your list, it's required that you give this job a unique PO number before pressing Take Material. Once those steps are complete, the invoice will be created and moved into the next tab, Awaiting Invoice. The Awaiting Invoice tab lists all currently open invoices awaiting to be billed. Before finalizing these invoices, you have a chance to adjust the materials that were actually used per job. If you took out 6,000 feet of cable but only used 4,000, for example, you can adjust the number here, and the remaining unused material will be automatically returned back into your on-hand inventory. Once you have confirmed that all quantities of materials used are correct, you have the option to either bill these individually or create a master PO number to combine the chosen invoices into one. Finally, the Request Products tab allows you to choose new materials to add to your on-hand items. You have the option to choose from an existing price sheet for your account, or search for items by part numbers or from a list of your favorited items. The Windy City Wire Consignment Portal provides a convenient, easy-to-navigate resource for you to manage and monitor all your consignment materials and billing. For any questions, reach out to your sales rep for more information today.